The healthcare revolution you haven't heard about. While everyone's talking about ChatGPT and AI copilots, Microsoft has quietly developed something that could revolutionize healthcare forever. Meet MAIDXO, and this isn't just another medical chatbot. What makes MAIDXO different? Traditional medical AI tools are glorified search engines. You ask a question, they give you an answer. But MAIDXO does something fundamentally different. It reasons like a doctor. Here's the breakthrough. Instead of just answering questions, MAIDXO reads complex medical case studies from the New England Journal of Medicine, asks the right follow-up questions, orders diagnostic tests while carefully tracking costs, then makes a final diagnosis using clinical reasoning. Think of it as having an entire medical team in one AI system, coordinating multiple foundation models like GPT, Claude, Gemini, and DeepSeek, each acting like specialists consulting on a case. The Pareto frontier, where accuracy meets efficiency. This chart shows something remarkable, the relationship between diagnostic accuracy and cost efficiency. Let me walk you through what we're seeing. The purple zone, the MAIDXO advantage. The purple shaded area represents MAIDXO's performance across different budget constraints. Notice how it creates a Pareto frontier, meaning you literally cannot get better performance for the same cost with any other approach. MAIDXO's impressive range. At $2,000 budget, 72% accuracy. At $4,000 budget, 76% accuracy. At $8,000 budget, 83% accuracy. With no budget constraints, 85.5% accuracy. The competition falls short. Look at where other AI models land. GPT-4 around 49% accuracy at $3,000 cost. Claude 4 about 63% accuracy at $6,500 cost. Gemini 2.5 roughly 68% accuracy at $4,000 cost. The human baseline, that red cross at the bottom, that's human physicians, 20% accuracy at $2,500 cost. Yes, you read that right. The AI is outperforming doctors by over 4x in accuracy while being more cost-effective. Why this changes everything? Superior clinical reasoning. MAIDXO doesn't just guess. It follows the same diagnostic process doctors use, but with access to vastly more medical knowledge and without human cognitive biases. Cost efficiency revolution. By strategically ordering tests and avoiding unnecessary procedures, MAIDXO delivers better outcomes while reducing healthcare costs, addressing two of medicine's biggest challenges simultaneously. Ensemble intelligence. The system coordinates multiple AI models, each contributing their strengths, much like how medical specialists collaborate on complex cases. The elephant in the room. Who makes the final call? This raises the most important question in modern medicine. If AI can diagnose with 85.5% accuracy compared to physicians' 20%, who should make the final medical decisions? The case for AI. Dramatically higher accuracy rates, no fatigue or emotional bias, access to entire medical literature instantly, consistent performance regardless of time or circumstances. The human factor, patient relationship and communication, ethical and emotional considerations, accountability and liability, understanding context beyond pure data. What this means for healthcare's future. We're looking at a potential paradigm shift where AI handles initial diagnosis and test ordering, doctors focus on patient care, communication, and complex decision-making, healthcare becomes more accurate and affordable, and medical errors decrease dramatically. The implementation challenge. The technology exists, but integrating it into real healthcare systems involves regulatory approval, liability questions, and fundamental changes to how medicine is practiced. Microsoft's strategic vision. While competitors focus on general AI assistance, Microsoft is building domain-specific superintelligence. MAIDXO represents their bet that the future of AI is not in replacing human conversation, but in mastering complex professional reasoning. This could be bigger than Office 365 or Azure. We're talking about transforming a $4 trillion global healthcare industry. The bottom line. MAIDXO is not just an incremental improvement, it's a fundamental breakthrough in medical AI that combines multiple AI systems to achieve superhuman diagnostic performance while reducing costs. The question isn't whether this technology will transform healthcare, it's how quickly it can be safely deployed and who will control it. Microsoft might just have shown us the future of medicine, and it's arriving faster than anyone expected. The age of AI medical superintelligence isn't coming, it's here.